everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. One of my favourite things to do in abstract art is mark making, and interestingly my first mark making video has proved to be one of the most popular videos that I've uploaded so far. So if you haven't seen it, I will put a link to the first video in the description box below. So this is my second mark making video, and as I did in the first one, all I did was mask off a sheet of A3 card. This is just a heavyweight mixed media card, and I masked it off to create a series of 4 coordinated pieces of art. So, I mean, they're not intended to be completed or finished pieces of art particularly. They're more just a way of me expressing myself and challenging myself to make marks using only materials that I've created myself. So in this video, for example, I've cut out a stencil using a craft knife and a piece of card just to add some pattern in the background. And the other thing that I've got as well is I've got some punches by Fiskars. I've got a little oval one there, punch, and I've also got a circle punch as well. And these are great just to create your own stencils to use in your artwork. So this is acrylic paint that I've used in this project, and the other thing that I've used are these Faber-Castell oil pastels, which I absolutely love. These blend quite well just using your finger, which is pretty much what I've done in these pieces, but I've also got this pencil blending solution by Spectrum Noir and this little wooden stick, and if you rub that over the top of the oil pastel, that works really well as well. So I like these mark making sessions to be quick and intuitive, and I frequently use this as a process, as a basis for my larger abstract art projects. So that's it for now. I will leave you with some music for the rest of the video showing how I actually created these pieces, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up as well. So thank you for now, and I'll see you again soon.